Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We are wrapping up on our SHOT Show coverage for the week, and it has been so much fun. And I tell you, I've run into so many awesome people, and I really appreciate all of you who have taken the time to come and talk to me and come say hello. It really means a lot to us. And we're wrapping up here in the Otis booth. They have this really nice podcast booth set up here. So we thought that we would show off some new stuff for Otis this year. You know, they've been a big supporter of our channel over the years. We've done a lot of cleaning videos. We've used a lot of their products in our videos. So we thought we'd show off some of the new stuff. They have some hard rods now, which are nice. You know, they're known for their pull-through systems, like what you see here. I know some of you guys have been dicking around in the military for a while. I've seen these pull-through kits that come in a little black pouch. But they do have the hard rods now. And these are stainless steel coated rods that are very handy. You can thread this into one end of it and make it where the handle will spin. So if you want the rod to move along with the rifling so you're not messing up anything, or you can remove it from this side and screw it back into the other end. And then now it is a fixed rod that doesn't rotate at all. So if you want to clean a chamber and have a good bit of pressure or something like that and not have this rod move, you can do that. So this one's obviously set up for pistols. We've got a shotgun version, which this thing is substantial. Very, very heavy duty piece of gear. So they got one set up for 12 gauges for pistols. All right. And then a 22 caliber version that'll work for all of your ARs and things of that nature. Okay. So that's a couple of things from Otis. Also, you see this very large mat that's here in front of me. Okay. You got an area for your small parts and a big wide area with your smart gun care mat here. Very large mat for your bench. This is new from Otis for this year. Now I've got this pull-through kit out here for demonstrative purposes, but they've also got their Elite pistol kit. Now we have done a video where we discussed their large universal kit that they make that's got a whole bunch of different accoutrements and things to handle a bunch of different guns. This year they now have their Elite pistol kit, which has all of the rip cords and pull-through accessories, as well as a hard rod, some brushes, a whole bunch of different mops and brushes, oil bottles, chamber flags, and various tools to handle pistol cleaning needs. And of course, this will work for 22 up through 45 and anything in between. So these are the newest things from Otis this year. Wanted to show those off. Really appreciate all of you folks who have supported us and continue to watch all the SHOT Show coverage. We are getting near the end of our SHOT Show coverage, and I really appreciate everybody who have tuned in. And also a big thanks to Otis for supporting our efforts, not only here at SHOT, but also with our content back in the rear as well. They really went above and beyond to set this booth up to make everybody comfortable and to be able to use it for any type of content we want to make. So we really appreciate you guys for watching. Many more videos on the way. There might be a few SHOT Show videos popping in here or there. We might shoot a few more in here because this is really nice. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm starting to get a little hoarse, actually. I've been talking all week. But thank you so much. Many more videos on the way. We'll see you soon.